We will be likely to haste to find ways on how to retrieve deleted contacts on iPhone without backup. It seems like a grim topic, but it doesn't matter much. Now, we are here to share with you 2 easy methods to counter this. Part 1. How to retrieve deleted contacts on iPhone without backup via professional tool. Mobic and Doctor for iOS can do this well in almost any case. To use it, all you need to do is to link your iPhone to a computer for running a deep scan, preview, select, and recover deleted contacts. How to get deleted contacts back on iPhone without backup using Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a computer. Step 2. Preview and select your lost contacts. Step 3. Retrieve deleted contacts on iPhone without backup. Part 2. How to restore contacts on iPhone without backup via iPhone Messages app. Open Messages app. New message. Type deleted contacts name or number into pop-up contact info. Tap I. Create new contact. Part 3. Backup iPhone contacts to email to avoid data loss. Open Settings. Passwords and accounts. Add account. Choose Exchange. Enter email credentials. Click Save and export. Wait for completion.